Hi guys. Today I am going to clean up my closet of anything that doesn't spark joy. Very Marie Kondo of me. But as a fashion blogger, I get sent a lot of clothes. Even though I always pick out things that I really like, obviously, since I have to shoot them for Instagram and actually wear them. My style's definitely changed over the last year. Over a year. It's been probably 14 months. So my style's definitely changed and just kind of evolved over that time. So I have a lot of things to get rid of. I'm pretty good at cleaning out my closet, little things that I know I don't wear or just literally never even look at. But today I wanted to just clean out all of the things that I like, even if they're cute and look good, that I just genuinely never reach for, which is a good amount of stuff. So I can't decide if this will be its own video or if I'm going to just add it into vlog footage, but I guess it just depends on how much stuff I get rid of. This is what I'm working with. So this is what I'm working with. This is all just a bunch of squished in stuff. And then I have some coats I'm definitely gonna want to get rid of. And then I have some clothes in this dresser. This is basically all my clothes, so I'm gonna get rid of all that stuff and we'll see how it goes. So this is a lot more than I was actually expecting. There's already things I'm seeing that I'm just gonna get rid of. I really like this dress, but I do not like how it looks on me, so I'll try her on one last time and then we'll go from there. This is my most worn and favorite jacket ever, so definitely not getting rid of her. I'm gonna get rid of this jean jacket because as far as jean jackets go, I would way rather have one that was cuter than this. It's a nice jacket, it's a good quality, but I just wish it wasn't acid wash, and I also just don't really like how it fits that much, so I would definitely rather have a better jean jacket. This Free People Moto jacket is super cute, but I literally never wear it, and when I do, I don't particularly enjoy wearing it, so I'm gonna get rid of her, especially because that corduroy jacket is the same vibe. I think that it portrays the same purpose of a nighttime going out jacket, so don't need to. And this is another thing that I kind of don't know what to do with because it's super cool and I actually really do love it and I love the texture and everything, but I don't wear it that often, but I also love it, so. That's mean. Get off the bed. I need to try this on. This sweater is super cute, but I feel like it makes my arms look fat, so I can never decide. But it's also such a nice, simple, white, cute sweater. It's just one of those tops that you feel like it makes your arms look thick. Okay, this is really cute. I was about to give her away, but she's just too cute. This is a really adorable top that will definitely come in styling wise at some point. I don't know when because I don't really do, again, a lot of stuff, but she's cute. Goodbye striped pants. These are another pair of pants I'm getting rid of. They're from Lulu's and they're super cute and they're a really good quality, but they just don't look good on me. They're just not flattering on me. And I'm over them. But I'm keeping the matching shirt because it's really cute. It's like a sweater tank top. I love it. So this is the pile of things I'm getting rid of so far. I haven't gone through these yet. And then I'm keeping all of those, and I'm keeping all of those coats, even though I definitely shouldn't, but I just love them all so much. Coats are my favorite thing, but also I've barely even worn a coat in Tennessee because the winters are so mild, but maybe by like next year when I'm like acclimated to the weather here, I'll get colder. I don't know if it works that long term, but who knows. So I'm gonna keep these guys around for a little bit longer, and then I still have to just go through the rest of these and then all of this dresser. So this is what I'm giving away slash maybe selling, depending. A lot of pretty dresses, a jean jacket. I forgot that I haven't gone through my graphic tees. But there is a ton of stuff in there that I am very proud of myself for giving away or getting rid of or selling or whatever. It's like stuff that like I've been holding on to, like the denim jacket, because like it was my only denim jacket, but she wasn't the right fit for me, so it's fine. I feel like I have only pretty recent graphic tees that I like because I go through them a lot. I guess I could probably get rid of this like t-shirt. I think I have to try both of these on. They're both like cute graphic tees, but they're both like very fitted, which is not how I like my graphic tees. I like a graphic tee to be like oversized because like that's why I'd wear it. Otherwise I'd wear like a cuter top that was fitted. This one I think I can get rid of because I literally would never reach for it, and I never do. Okay, this shirt I got from Urban Outfitters, and I wear it actually like surprisingly a lot. It's just a cherub, and it's a long sleeve, and the sleeves are like extra long, so I really like that because I like, if I'm cold, to have the option to just like do this. So we're keeping her. I do really like this. This is one of those like cinched like t-shirt tops. The thing is I have all these black tops, but realistically like don't need all these black tops. This one has been with me for years. I've literally had this black top from Forever 21 that I think I got on sale for like $3 for, you know, I'm gonna keep it because it's like a nice like sheer top. Like I wear it actually a lot, but I just feel weird for how long I've had it. But it's like a sheer top. You can wear like a cute like bralette under. I like it. She's staying. Yeah, so I didn't get rid of much in there.